In this video, we will explore how users can place parts from the CIS database with configured MPNs and utilize them in the Live BOM interface. Additionally, we will demonstrate how to check supply chain information for components with multiple associated MPNs within the Live BOM view. Here, we have a partially completed sample test design. Next, we'll open the Component Explorer and navigate to the CIS Cloud database in My Workspace. Locate an inductor component from the inductor category. Upon selecting the part, its metadata, symbol, footprint, and associated manufacturer part number will be displayed. Live BOM utilizes the MPN and manufacturer properties to retrieve supply chain data from Source Engine. To place a component, select the MPN row, right-click, and choose the Place option to position the inductor component. In the Toolbar menu, select Tools, Live BOM to open the Live BOM view. Here, the L1 component will appear in the part list along with its corresponding MPN details. Select this row to view additional supply chain information in the Property panel on the right, as well as alternate MPNs displayed in the section below. Let's complete the rest of the circuit. Return to the Component Explorer, navigate to the Diode category, and choose a Schottky diode. In the MPN section, we'll notice that the diode has multiple associated MPNs, each with a unique MPN and manufacturer combination. Select one of the MPN rows and place the component on the schematic. We'll now open Live BOM, where the placed diode D1 will appear in the part list along with its MPN. Select the D1 row to view its MPN details and alternate MPNs. Live BOM provides a detailed overview of the alternate manufacturer part numbers associated with the component, along with their statuses. Alternate MPNs are visually categorized using color codes based on Source Engine's recommendations. Yellow indicates an alternate MPN that matches a Source Engine MPN but is not a recommended alternative. Red highlights an unmatched alternate MPN not found in Source Engine. Green signifies an alternate MPN that aligns with Source Engine's suggested alternatives, either as a single MPN row or as a combined result. These classifications help users easily check and analyze supply chain information for each associated MPN of a component. The current MPN assigned to the component D1 in the part list is not RoHS compliant and has a limited market availability. To address this, select an alternate MPN from the alternate section that is RoHS compliant and marked in green. Click on the Replace MPN icon to update the associated MPN. Once replaced, the new alternate MPN will be linked to diode D1, ensuring it is RoHS compliant. Now, go back to the schematic design and click Save to save the updated design. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.